Hello DNHE students of IGNOU. Are you worried about your synopsis and project submission? Do you want 100% assurance that your work will be approved without rejection? Then you have come to the right place. Gyan is the most trusted partner for IGNOU synopsis and project help with a 100% approval guarantee. We understand that your DNHE diploma is not just a certificate, but a step towards building your career in nutrition, health education, community service, and wellness industries. Completing your diploma on time is very important, but most students get confused when it comes to synopsis and project work. Choosing the right topic, following IGNOU guidelines, preparing research tools, and writing in the proper format often feels difficult. That is why hundreds of IGNOU students trust Gyan every year for professional support. Our team of experts has years of experience in preparing IGNOU DNHE synopsis and projects. We help you select meaningful topics like nutrition awareness, balanced diet, child health, maternal health, community food programs, lifestyle diseases, and diet planning. We prepare your synopsis with proper objectives, methodology, and justification so that approval comes quickly. After synopsis approval, we provide a high-quality project report with real data, analysis, and references exactly as per IGNOU standards. Now let us talk about the deadlines. For the TE December exam, the last date for synopsis submission is September 30th. Approval comes by October 31st, and the project submission last date is October 31st. For the TE June exam, synopsis submission is open till March 31st, approval comes by April 30th, and the project submission last date is April 30th. Missing these dates means waiting 6 months more, delaying your diploma, and losing valuable time. So do not take risks with your career. Choose Gyan for best quality, zero rejection, and guaranteed approval. Call or WhatsApp us today at 9699784305 or visit Gyan.